In this tutorial, I'll show you how to rig a car in Blender and animate it using custom driver sliders. By the end, you'll have a reusable rig you can drop into any scene and control with clean, professional sliders. Let's get started. Before we begin rigging, make sure your vehicle is positioned at the world center, 0, 0, 0. All 4 wheels are separate objects. Each wheel's origin is perfectly centered. Now we'll add control empties. Add empties at each wheel center, one at the center of the car body, then rename them clearly. car-wheel.ft.l, car-wheel.ft.r, car-wheel.bk.l, car-wheel.bk.r, and car-body. Clear naming is extremely important, especially for larger projects. Now we parent the wheels. 1. Select the wheel. 2. Shift select its corresponding empty. 3. Press Ctrl plus P. Parent. Keep transformation. Repeat for all wheels. Select all empties, with the body empty active. Go to Shift plus A. Armature. Car deformation rig. Press N to open the side panel. Go to the Rig a Car tab. Click Generate. Your car is now automatically rigged. Make sure everything is inside one collection. If you want to reuse this car without exporting it every time, we'll add it to the Asset browser. 1. Go to Edit, Preferences, File Paths. 2. Under Asset Libraries, click plus. 3. Add the folder where this Blender file is saved. Now, go to the Outliner, right-click your car collection, click Mark as Asset. You can optionally move it into a catalog for organization. For this tutorial, I'll use linking instead of appending because I want changes made in the source file to update everywhere. Now we go back to the original file to create control sliders. Add a single control bone, Shift plus A, Armature, Single Bone. This bone will hold our custom properties. Go to Pose Mode, Bone Properties. Click New under Custom Properties. We'll add these properties: brakes, body roll, cornering, drift, front wheel spin, rear wheel spin, and rig rotation. For each property, click the gear icon, set min, -1, set max, 1, default, 0, precision, 1 decimal, and enable library override. Repeat for all properties. Now we connect sliders to rig controls. Body roll 1. Right-click the body roll property. 2. Copy as new driver. 3. Select the suspension control in the rig. 4. Right-click X location, paste driver. Now that slider controls left to right weight shift. Cornering, copy the cornering property driver, paste it into the suspension X location. Drift, copy drift, paste into the rig's Z rotation. Rig rotation, copy rig rotation, paste into the root bone's Z rotation. Brakes, copy brakes, paste into the suspension's Y location to simulate weight transfer. This one is different. We want -1, spin backwards, 0, stop, and 1, spin forward. Copy the rear wheel spin driver. Select rear wheel empties. Paste into X rotation. Now open driver editor. Change driver type from averaged value to scripted expression. Use this expression, rear_wheel_spin, times frame times 1000. Set the rear wheel spin slider from the bone to 1. Wheels should spin. If direction is wrong, change 1000 to -1000. To adjust speed, increase or decrease that number. Repeat the same process for the front wheels. Final step. Parent the control bone to the main rig. Make sure the control bone is inside the same collection. Save your file. Open a new Blender file again. Drag in your car from the Asset browser. Right-click, Library Override, Selected and Content. Select your control bone. Go to Pose Mode. You can now animate the car entirely using sliders. Clean, professional, and reusable. And that's how you rig a car in Blender using custom drivers and reusable assets. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.